Jeez, got played Gresford in like, I don't even know how to say their name. Got them in 2 days. This is generally so peak. Our team's shit and like we need to improve it, like so that. I mean, that's my team. It is like, I've got 2 players that are nearly at full stars. I've got 2 decent centre backs. I've got a good, no, I've got a shit right back. I recently got Ben Colt on, on a free. But we need new players because look, we're literally playing. Look at this guy, Joe Grant. He's getting paid 220. He's a young prospect. Like, as if. We need a new right winger. We need a new left winger as well. I'm looking at a guy, Cameron Stewart. Looking at Cameron Stewart for a while. He's a good player. He'd actually be a good player for us, to be fair. He's 4-star rated if he came to us. So, let's choose that team. He'd be a good player for us apparently if we were to sign him, because we could get him on a free. But it just depends if we can afford his wage. Because think about it, players in the non-league. You need to get them on as cheap as possible for just for them. Because think about it, we've got literally no one. Yeah, okay. Promotional. We're predicted to finish 17th. Nah, I'm sorry. We're gonna finish higher. I know we are gonna finish higher. Be easy. We've got two decent centre backs. We've got Michelle Parker and what's his face? Got that guy on loan from Bristol Rovers. But I don't even know. We've got this team. I don't even know if we're playing them now or when we come back off this screen. I don't know if we'll have the result in now. Okay, now we're playing them. Okay, calm. Our only challenge in these next 3 games are Boston United. These 2 teams are just pub sides. Lidley Town and Gresford Athletic. I think that's how you say the name. I'm not sure. I'm stupid. So, okay, we win it 4-1. Harris, Cole, Baird and Grant with goals. Good times for us there. Jason Pryor. Let's have a look at this guy. Oi, he's not even that good to be fair as I thought he was. Moses Emmanuel. Oh, I remember this guy. I remember him from Billericay. Did an on-league to legend on Billericay, and Moses Emmanuel came up. Moses Emmanuel. He was playing on the side. My mouse is flickering. I don't like it, but yeah. We've got Boston United. What league do they even play in? Are they in the league as us? No, they're in the North League. So, same level as us, but in the North. We best be able to beat Boston, because if we do, then it actually shows we're capable of getting playoffs. Like I'm saying, I'm gonna spend 3 seasons in the same league max, in the Vanarama South. Because, think about it, I'm not staying in the same league 3 seasons, I'm not going anywhere, so I might just impress at Slough, and then, the team I'm at now, and then go to a team in the division above if they'll accept me. Which I'm hoping they do. Grant, Morgan, Fraser, okay, yeah, we'll just put that team in. We've got a decent team there. Like, I cannot lie. Sorry about that. But, right. Yeah. Player, wait, what? Okay, top player. I don't know, okay, let's have a look at this guy. Okay, he plays for bloody Dulwich Hamlet. He's not even worth anything. He's on £400 a week. Who's on there? Cameron Stewart. Here he is. Again, he's wanting quite a bit of wage, £450 to £700, which in non-league for us, that's not that good. So I'm just going to put all the money into the wage budget because, Okay, it still doesn't do anything, but okay. Let's go and approach the signing. If we can get him, then well. Let's try and remove that. That's calm. Bugger. That is fucking sad. We can't afford his wage. Signing on fee. Can we give him like a mad signing on fee? We'll give him that. Will he accept it? No, he won't. I'm gonna have to take this up. I really want to get Cameron Stewart as well. 950. Will he take that? No, he won't. Oh fuck. Team of the year bonus. Give him 2.5, and then if he gets that, give him 1.5. We'll accept it now. Fuck you, Stuart, you greedy cunt. He's rejected me. How can he do that? How can this man do that? He's a dickhead, mate. Alright. Draw him not in Bumby. No. We could have actually had a decent player in Cammy Stewart there. Just getting all these wasters coming from the pub sides. Like, we don't need you. Like, piss off. Saying we're in 2019 now. By 2023, I want to get out the non-league. And I'm hoping I'll do that. Jamie Bradley Green. You'd want quite a bit of money though, but I could just fire it off with what's it called? I forgot what it's called. The sign-on bonuses. Playing Boston. If we best beat Boston. We beat Dagenham and Redbridge. They're in the league above. We should be able to beat Boston. We best do. Right. I didn't even see the result. I didn't even see the result of the Boston game. When we get off this sim, I'm gonna have to go back and check it. Let's go! Baird and Lynch with goals. Jesus. My best player, Matt Lynch. I'm pretty sure he is our best player as well. I think he is. Yeah, he is. Star player. What a guy. Not rating the haircut, but, you know. He's a good enough player. That's what matters. Right, let's go with that. We can't go high, just transfer window restrictions. His club is literally poverty. So, you know. Lydney, where are they? They're playing the Hellenic Premier. I'm pretty sure that's like the 7th tier of English football. How are we supposed to do that? Like how are they supposed to like compete with us? I bet you if they beat us, I'll shave my head again. I will shave my head on video as well. I'll send it to everyone. Still, we best beat Lydney Town. If we don't beat them, we are an embarrassment. We're playing our top players as well. Our only players. We ain't got many players either. I think we've only got like 18 players. And that's not many. Inbox. Dave is a lead. We'll play this team. There we go. Got game in a day, man. Can't believe, oh yeah, I just saw that. That bloody French team wanted Nemanja Matic. Hoping not. Because Matic, I don't think Matic would cut it out. I don't think he'd cut it out in the Prem. Not in the Prem, I don't think he'd cut it out in the League One. So, he needs to stay at United, but he doesn't really get selected a lot at United. Come on. Hurry up. There we go. 3-0 win against Lydney Town. Harris, Worsfold, and Warren, and Harris again. Scoring 2 goals, that man. What a guy. Alright, we've got our first game. We've got our first league game in 6 days. I don't even know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5, 6 days. I just couldn't be asked to count there, so I just estimated it. Alright. Okay. Mark Nisbet saying that he should be appointed as captain, even though if you look at his stats, he's an emergency backup. So yeah, he's not having it anytime soon. I'll give it to Jack Turner and Ben Harris is good. Is he even in the team? I don't even know. Mark Nisbet can have oh, where's Tugwell? Sam Tugwell can have it wisely. So this is knackering this. No, joking, it's fine. George Brady from Frogs. Yo. George Brady, yo, that guy looks good. He's a centre back as well. We don't even need a centre back, but we could have a look at him. No, just scarred. Go away, mate. Ryan O'Sullivan said he blowing his own trumpet, saying he could. Is he a right back? Left back. Because if he was a right back, I could have actually signed him, because I actually do need a right back. Well, I'll scout him anyway. If he's good. Acknowledge. Nah. So, yeah. We've got Dorking in a few days, so we best. I want to get off to a good start, man. We best do. Oxford City an offer for Hollis. A free transfer. Hollis. He's on 1.5 stars. Basically useless. And Oxford City want him from the League South. Like, hot prospect. Yo, this guy looks sick. This guy actually does look sick. Oh, he's a right back as well. Yo. Could we get him on loan? Right, Ian. How much would they want for him? They'd want 20k for him. Nah, man. You keep your 20k, man. You keep it. Free season for Weymouth. I don't even know. I think that's how you say it. I don't even know. I'm dumb, so I don't know how to say shit. Dorking Wanderers are shit. Say the shit, but I bet they'll beat us. Best game in. We're meant to be finishing. They're saying we'll finish just below the table. Oh no, it's just time to prove all them wrong, innit? Back for the first. I'll be back for the first game of the season. Catch you later.